This is the shower I'm doing at the moment. Just turn the camera around. I've just made this seat instead of a niche for your, or you know, like there, square, a square niche there. That is going to be, that's a niche, but a niche for your foot, which I do a lot of for people now. These people liked the idea of a seat, which is pretty cool too, but you can only do it when you've got a shower that's big enough. That'll take it. But you can wash your feet, trim your nails, shave your legs, whatever. You can sit on the sucker. Cool, eh? I'm just about to start popping up all the lines ready for waterproof, and then I'll be primer sealing it and then slapping on my waterproof. So I've got a fair bit of this to do, but DIYers, lean in, you're in for a treat. If you want to learn, Chris O's the one to teach you. That's what it's all about. A lot of people are looking at doing their own stuff these days, DIYing it, which is cool. Some like the achievement of doing it themselves, and why not? I've got to put on gloves yet and smooth it all out. Yeah, so we just keep doing that procedure until it's all bogged up everywhere. Today's Friday, I'll be waterproofing it today, 2 coats on everything, and then tiling it Monday. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye.